This is one video you definitely don't want to miss. Today, we're taking a look at a car that's been getting a lot of buzz lately. Is it really worth the money? Are the features as good as everyone claims? Let's dive into the full review of the 2026 Honda Jazz. We'll cover the interior, exterior, fuel average, pricing, and of course, I'll share my personal opinion at the end. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss our latest car reviews. The 2026 Honda Jazz has arrived with a fresh new look, smarter technology, and a promise to deliver the same practicality it's always been known for, but now in a more premium and modern package. From the outside, it's clear that Honda has matured the design. Gone is the bubbly look of older generations. Instead, you now get a sleeker profile, sharper lines, and a lower stance that gives the Jazz a more athletic presence. The slim LED headlamps blend cleanly into the revised front grille, while the new alloy wheels and sculpted sides give it just the right touch of flair. At the back, the C-shaped LED taillights wrap neatly around the corners, giving it a cleaner, more high-end rear profile. The tall rear windshield not only aids visibility but keeps that sense of airiness alive, even from the outside. Overall, Honda has nailed the design update: mature, functional, and far from boring. Step inside, and the story continues. The cabin is bright, well laid out, and surprisingly spacious. Honda has stuck with its man maximum, machine minimum design approach, and it shows. The dashboard is minimalist but functional, with soft touch materials on the top trims and a floating 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system at the center. This unit supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and thankfully, it's much more responsive and intuitive compared to older Honda systems. You also get a 7-inch digital instrument cluster that's clear, customizable, and easy to read at a glance. The climate controls are now physical knobs again, something that makes adjusting the AC while driving much easier. Honda clearly listened to the feedback here. As always, the Jazz offers top-tier practicality for its class. The legendary Magic seats return, allowing you to flip, fold, or flatten them based on your cargo needs. Want to carry a tall plant or a bicycle? No problem. Need to fold the seats completely flat for a road trip haul? Done. This is one of the few hatchbacks where the interior can flex to fit your lifestyle so easily. In terms of power, the 2026 Jazz comes with Honda's updated HEV Hybrid system, a 1.5L Atkinson cycle petrol engine combined with 2 electric motors. The setup produces around 109 horsepower and delivers torque instantly thanks to the electric motor assist. Transitions between petrol and electric are smooth, and the power delivery is more than enough for daily city driving and occasional highway runs. Fuel economy is where this hybrid system really shines. Real-world numbers range from 27 to 30 km/h, depending on your driving style and traffic conditions. That's a huge plus for anyone looking to save on fuel without jumping into a fully electric vehicle just yet. Ride quality is also a big win for the Jazz. The suspension is well tuned for comfort, soaking up potholes and speed bumps with ease. It's quiet on the inside, thanks to improved sound insulation, and the steering feels light yet precise, perfect for tight city corners and parking in crowded spots. Now, safety. Honda's included its full Honda Sensing suite on most trims, which means you get features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and traffic sign recognition. Add to that 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, ISOFIX mounts, a multi-angle rear-view camera, and you've got one of the safest cars in its segment. Pricing will vary by market, but the Jazz remains competitively positioned, especially when you factor in all the tech, the hybrid drivetrain, and Honda's reputation for reliability. Whether you go for the base trim or the sportier, advanced sport, with unique cosmetic touches, you're getting solid value. So, what's the verdict? The 2026 Honda Jazz doesn't try to be something it's not. It's not pretending to be a performance car, and it's not chasing SUV buyers. What it offers is what it's always offered, but now even better: intelligent packaging, incredible fuel economy, high practicality, and now, the modern features we've all been asking for. It's the ideal car for city dwellers, small families, or even retirees who want something reliable, efficient, and flexible enough to handle daily tasks without breaking the bank. If you're looking for a hatchback that nails the basics while quietly impressing you with thoughtful touches, this should be high on your list. If you found this review helpful or enjoyable, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. We've got plenty more car reviews coming your way. Drop a comment below and let me know which car you'd like me to review next. I always read your suggestions.